Hi guys, after our last video where we cooked our chicken schnitzel, so today we are going to finish it up by cooking our sweet potato chips and serve it with our garden salad. And so stick here with me and let's go. For our garden salad, we are going to use the green pepper, red pepper, carrots, some tomatoes and lemons. So just place them in the bowl, all of them together. Add a dash of oil, like that is olive oil, some oil, salt, salt to taste. Then toss it. So this is our garden salad. It will go well with our chicken schnitzel.
Go my way, yeah. Been had me from the start. You've been on my radar for too long. Want you to stay, babe. You'd never say the word. I could give you the world, girl. Won't you try me? I bet you gon' like it. Lava, baby, in lava, yeah, me, in lava, with me, baby, yeah. In lava, baby, in lava, yeah, me, in lava, with me, baby, yeah.
Place some sweet and sour sauce on the chicken. So thank you guys for cooking with me today, and please remember to try my recipe today. And until next time, bye bye, and please remember to subscribe. Bye.